So hello guys, I am Samarth and I welcome you to my YouTube channel Computer Club. So today I will tell you how to activate your Windows 10 easily. So in this video I will tell you how to activate your Windows 10, why this message appear on your window, and what disadvantages will happen if this message will appear on your window. So let's start the video. As you can see that tomorrow I have received the message from my Windows that activate window, go to settings to activate window. So today I will tell you how to activate easily your Windows 10. So when you go to the shopkeepers, that I think that there is a strict lockdown in our Gurugram or in any state, so that shops are not open. And if you find the shop that which is open, a computer hardware shop, they will not simply activate your window. They will tell that we have to reinstall the window so that they can वो आपसे 3,000 रुपये आराम से हड़प लेते हैं. तो आज मैं आपके लिए सबसे आसान मेथड लाया हूँ अपना विंडो को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए. सो एक्टिवेट अगर ये विंडो अगर ये वाटरमार्क आता है तो धीरे धीरे हमारी जो विंडो होती है वो सभी फंक्शन करने बंद कर देती है. लाइक आप पर्सनलाइज नहीं कर पाओगे अपने विंडो को, आप कुछ कमांड रन नहीं कर पाओगे और काफ़ी सारे सॉफ्टवेयर आप रन नहीं कर पाओगे. जैसे आपके विंडो अगर एमुलेटर करना चाहते हैं आप, तो फिर आप वो भी नहीं चला पाओगे. और सेटिंग में कई सारे ऑप्शन होते हैं जो कि हमें ऑन ऑफ करने होते हैं, वो भी आप नहीं कर पाओगे. तो कल मेरे पास ये मैसेज आया था मेरी विंडो से और आज मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूँ कि मैंने अपनी विंडो को तो खैर एक डिजिटल लाइसेंस से ही किया हुआ है अपडेट, पर मैं आपको लाइव प्रूफ के साथ. सो आई एम टेलिंग यू without digital key or any product key, you don't need any product key or digital key, so you can activate with the digital license. I think that most of you don't know how to find the product key in Windows 10, and if you know, it is better for you for activation your window. So if you don't know and if you want to know how to change product key or how to know our product key of your window, so you can comment me. I will also make a separate video about that also. So you can see that my window edition is Windows 10 Home Single Language. My activation is Windows is activated with a digital icons, as you can see. So today I will tell you the most easiest way. As you see, so I have to first create a new text. You can create like by renaming it new, and you have to rename it, you can anything rename it, and you have to go to window, you have to open it and you have to paste this code. So as you can see, I have pasted this code link I will give you in my description, so you can also copy it. You have to copy full of that page which code it is written, and this code link I will provide you in my description. So times to save it, you have to save it, and remember that you have to save it in CMD format, window.cmd. you can rename this, not matter what you will rename it. This extension matters that you have to paste or you have to save it in CMD format. And yeah, another information is that when you will save it, you have get the pop-up that this contain virus or any suspicious software. Please don't worry about that. This is also that window not allow it, but it is safe. You have to go to your settings. I am opening my settings, and you have to search security. Yeah, you will get the Windows security option, then go to virus and threat protection. After the you will get the pop-up that your window is not activated. So here you will get that virus message, and you will click on here, like you will get a rectangle message that you have to go down and set it to allow on device, and then in place of quicksand you will get the start action option, then should tap on it so that it will allow us to save that. So I have to save Windows CMD. I have saved it. Yeah, you can see that Windows CMD I have saved it. So now the main action dash, you have to open it. When you open it, it will start working, that activating your window. Don't be suspicious, please patient so that it will activate your window easily. It will take hardly around 2 to 3 minutes in deactivate window, but don't worry, it will so easy. My window is activated, so it take mostly 10 to 15 seconds to activate because my window is already activated. Now your work is done. Now you have to refresh your computer. I am refreshing my computer, and then you have to restart your computer. You will see that after some minute the pop-up which is here will disappear from your window, and when you go to settings and activation, you will show that your window is activated. So this is the simplest way of activating your window free. So please like, subscribe my channel. If you like my video, press the bell icon and set it to all so that my new video details will send you to soon. So thank you and have a nice day.